buntag. So, nakaayos si Inday Joanna, no? Mami na talaga ako dyan kasi minsan na lang ako makapag-ayos. Kailangan kong mag-ayos kasi may deadline akong ipapasa today with another brand collaboration. So, today yung pasahan ng pictures. So, kailangan kong mag-pictures. And, sa kalagitnaan ng aking pictorial, nagising ang aking Junakis kay nagutom na si Ella Bell. Tingnan nyo naman. Good morning, cutie. Oh my gosh! Good morning, cutie pie. Yes. We say good morning to them. Say good morning. I just had my milk. Good morning, Ella. How are you today? Are you chilling? Is my baby chilling? Yeah, do you like this one? Yeah, so pinadala pala to ng Nuna, UK. So, thank you so much. Ay, shush! Will you say thank you to them? Hi, Kuya Cooper! Good morning as well, Kuya Cooper! Where's Ella, boy? Okay. Gentle. No licking. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. You sit down. Sit. Good. Good. Say hi to them. Yes. Where's... Quiet. No. Yes, quiet. Ella's. Yes. Shh, no. Leave it. Leave it, Ella. Ayan, chilling lang yung bata ko dyan while I'm going to cook Daddy Franco's lunch. Kuya Cooper! Kuya Cooper! Yan, hindi ko muna siya pinapalapit masyado kay Ella for now kasi sobrang baby pa ni Ella. But nakikinig naman siya. Ayan lang siya, nakabantay sarado siya palagi kay Ella. Ayan, yung sampayan ko dyan kaya naglaba ako ng mga damit ni Ella. So, ayan, after feeding, dyan ko na muna siya nilalagay para makakilos-kilos ako. Kasi sobrang clingy nitong batang to. After nung vaccine niya, laging gusto pakarga. Buti na lang nag-send yung Nuna ng swing na ganito. Hello! Hello! Mommy needs to wear. Look at Mommy. Mommy got some dress. Mommy is mixed as well. Yeah, you chill here, honey, okay? Yeah. Ang weird ng noise ni Ella yung mga ganyan. Parang nag-iiba-iba yung noise niya. Yung iba types of animals. Minsan nagiging kabayo. Ganon dahil. Hi! Can you see Mommy now? Wow, you have such a big eyes. Ay, shush. I like your eyes, honey. I like your eyes. It's so big. It's so big. Anyway, kailangan kong magluto ng lunch kasi may oras tayong magluto at nag-chill pa ang ating bata. Yan, pag after niyang magdede, nagpapalagay pa siya. Pero, since after nung bakuna niya, nagpapababy ang aming baby ay gusto niya laging, mommy. Hindi naman siya gusto nagpaparkarga, pat gusto niya yung malapit siya sa amin, ganun. Which is, I think, normal lang naman siguro pag binabakunahan. Kasi sabi ng kuya ko, basta pag binakunahan sila or may vaccine sila, kailangan nila ng comfort. Daddy Franco is coming now. So, magluluto tayo nitong ito lang salmon. Sobrang lang ng ating lunch. Easy lang. Ito yung outfit ko. Zay! Konti na lang mawawala na ang aking tiyan. This is 1 month postpartum. Diba? Konti na lang. Nagbabinder pa rin ako pero hinubad ko muna siya ngayon kasi hindi pa ako natapos sa aking photoshoot. So, kailangan ko siyang tapusin, Zay. And then, mabilis lang naman tong lutong ito. And yes, by the way, i-announce ko sa inyo kung ano yung collaboration. You might as well na magagamit nyo itong new collaboration brand. Mamaya, i-chika ko sa inyo. Magluto muna si Inday. I get to love you. Na, 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 na. malapit lang yung workplace ni Franco. So, 10 minutes drive lang. So, anytime pwede siya makaka-uwi. Take us where we want to go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't wanna leave. Lagyan ko na lang siya ng teriyaki sauce. Tingnan nyo naman si Kuya Cooper. O, lagi talagang nakabantay kay Ella Bell. Good job, Kuya Cooper. Good job for looking after Ella. Good job, my love. Look after her, okay? Mommy's cooking for Daddy. Pag-cute ni Kuya Cooper. Ganyan talaga siya palagi, Zay. Kahit saan si Ella, nakabuntot talaga siya. Daddy Franco is home. Cooper is having a cuddle. What is it, Coop? Where's Daddy, Coop? Where's Daddy? Ayan, si Ella. Naiyak na. Kaya binuhat ko muna itong darling namin. Kasi inaantok na daw siya after mag-milk. Siya daw, popo na boy.
Hey?
Put-put.
Is it?
La 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 la.
Just got back from work and surprise, surprise, Joanna cooked for me. The first time she's cooked for me since she's given birth. Good just for one occasion to get food cooked for me, but after today, after I finish work, I will take over household duties again and wash the dishes and becoming a maid. I've asked Joanna to buy me an apron to make it official, so I can walk around the kitchen with my apron on.
That is him.
Eliana, come here, Mom. I want to kiss. I can't kiss her because Joanna keeps telling me off.
No kissing on face, no kiss.
So yeah, Eliana has been a good girl recently.
I mean, Franco has been really doing good. He mostly do all the household here at home. But today, I just feel like, I miss cooking for Franco, so why not? And it's very easy.
Actually, I'm very tired, man. I slept at 2:30 a.m. last night. Had to go to work at 8 o'clock to 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've only had like 4.5 hours sleep, really.
Yeah.
So yeah, very tiring, and it's very busy today.
Well, you did not make Daddy sleep. Iliana.
How was you today?
Ella Bell.
Smiling.
Ella Bella. How are you?
She's
She's smiling.
Here's my phone.
Hi. Ella Bell. How are you? Hello, nakakaintindi na yung bata namin. Hi. Can you see Mommy now? Hi. Iliana.
It's like now she knows she can see you.
Yeah, maybe.
I feel like she's looking at me now and she's like, oh, who are you? And now she's smiling, she laughs sometimes as well.
Yeah.
So now a little bit of her personality is coming out, whereas before it was kind of like, she's just trying to open eyes and see what's going on in the world. But now she's kind of starting to kind of comprehend like things and objects a bit more now, I think.
Ayan, tulog na ang aking palangging. So, itong white noise na kinuha ko sa YouTube, gusto niya yan para makatulog siya. And itong, diba? Ngayon, makakahugas na ako ng mga bottles ni Ella while natutulog siya. Laban lang talaga tayo mga mami. So, ang dami kong nag-order pa, dumating pala yung order ko na kasi change ko yung bote ni Ella. So I switched to Dr. Brown na anti-colic kasi nung nakarang gabi sobrang iyak ni Ella. So parang feeling ko parang may colic siya ba? May colic siya. So nag-search ako ng magandang bottles for anti-colic. So maganda rin yung Dr. Brown's. So I actually have 4 here. in-order ko nung nakarang araw. So, hindi siya kasha. Kasi tamad akong maghugas ng bote. And alam niyo naman, ako lang mag-isa dito mostly days. Kasi si Franco, diba, trabaho. So, nag-order ako ng 4 ulit. Ayan, 4. And then, maghuhugas ako ng pinggan. Zay! So, ito na yung ganap ko as ina. As nanay ni Ella. So, while natulog, i-take advantage na tumuhugas ng bottles niya. And maglinis dito kaunti sa kitchen. I know madami sila nasasabing I should rest, but ayoko din namang tulog lang ng tulog. I'm okay naman kasi pag natutulog si Ella sa gabi or morning, tutulog talaga ako. But alam niyo naman ako, parang ang hirap kasi magalaw sa kusina kung masyadong makalat. And this one is very light lang naman siya gawin. So, why not, diba? So, gagawin natin yan. Maghugas lang ako ng plato. At least hindi makalat dito. Tingnan. Lalo na ako, lagi ako nasa kusina. Lagi ako nag-sterilize ng bottle ni Ella. So, mini-make sure ko na malinis talaga yung kusina.
Back at me, I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems. I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on.
So, ayan, balik ako pagka nanay, kakadede lang ni Ella. And, almost deep sleep na si Inday Ella. Lalagay ko na siya sa bassinet maya-maya. So, by the way, yung announcement natin for today, yung good news natin is I have another collaboration with Money Remittance. So, we have another blessing. And if andito kayo sa ibang bansa, like US, UAE, Europe, ilalagay ko sa screen kung ano yung mga list of available country tong app na to. So, pwede kayo magpadala ng pera sa Pilipinas gamit ang TapTap Send. And if you're going to use the code IndayJoanna, meron kayong additional na 15 pounds additional dun sa ipapadala nyo. Tapos, libre lang yung padala as in walang bayad. So, you see, kaya din nagustuhan ko tong brand na to kasi ako, lagi ako nagpapadala sa Pilipinas, di ba? Like mga 5 times siguro. Kasi kay Papa, may kuya akong pinapaaral na college, which is gagraduate na siya next month. So, sobrang proud ako sa sarili ko kasi nakapagtapos na ako ng college sa kapatid ko. So, ayun. Finally, achieve ni Inday yung makapagtapos ng kolehiyo yung kapatid, di ba? Which is very proud ako kasi I also work hard and at the same time, gusto ko rin talagang tumulong sa mga kapatid ko, especially kay Papa kasi si Papa na lang yung meron kami, diba? So, monthly talaga meron siyang allowance. And, ayun, itry nyo yun and don't forget to use the code IndayJoanna. Ilalagay ko yung mga information dyan sa screen. So, available lang siya on your first transfer sa Pilipinas. So, i-download nyo yung TapTap Send and then use the code IndayJoanna para automatic may additional 15 pounds yung ipapadala nyo. Plus, wala pang bayad, Zay. So, nagamit ko na siya and grabe, ang sarap. Makakatipid ka talaga ng 3 pounds. I think 2-3 pounds na yung mga bayaran ngayon pag nagpapadala ka ng pera sa Pilipinas, di ba? So, you can either send as well via GCash, pwede din bank transfer. So, ayun. You must try TapTap Send. Proven and tested din in IndayJoanna. Kakapadala ko lang kanina actually. So, let's put Iliana to bed. Kanina maganda pa ako. Tingnan niyo naman ako. Kimpit-kimpit na, Zay. Tapos si Kuya Cooper, pinakain ko na. So, ayan. Dito na kami sa kwarto. One thing with Ella, since nabakunahan siya, ayaw niya na magpalagay sa crib niya. Sobrang sayang ng crib. I mean, hindi naman siya sayang kasi magagamit naman to up to, 4 years old siya. But, ngayon, tinambakan na lang namin yung crib niya kasi we found out gusto niya yung parang may motion pag natutulog siya. So, bumili kami ng bassinet na meron siyang 4 function. Pwede siyang feeling na nasa car. Pwede siyang yung feeling na sinuswing siya ni mami niya. And meron parang kangaroo swing. And ano ba yun? Basta 4 function siya which is really good. And yung favorite niya function niya is yung car ride. Kasi napapansin namin pag nilalagay namin siya sa kotse. Sarap ang tulog ni Inday Ella. So, ilalagay natin siya dito sa kanyang bassinet which is actually accessible sa akin kasi tabi lang ng bed namin. Pasensya na kayo sa kalat kasi nag-edit ako ng vlog kanina while tulog si Ella. So, pag nagigising siya ng madaling araw, so obviously nagpapadede, ganyan, tapos bed. And then I found out this new swaddle from Amazon which is super convenient kasi yung parang yung normal na swaddle, yung gaganin-ganin mo pa. Sobrang hassle din. Umiiyak na siya. So, ito, na-found out ko sa Amazon. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya sinaswaddle dito. Sobrang ganda nito. Let's see. Ayan, nalising ko muna. Hopefully, hindi magising si Eliana. So, basically, igaganyan mo lang siya. Swaddle na yan. And then, ilagay natin si Ella. So, ayan. Sobrang dali lang iswaddle. Ganyan lang. Tapos, ready na siyang ilagay sa bassinet. Try natin siya ilagay sa bassinet. So, dito ko siya ilalagay. Yan. So, andito na si Ella, diba? Deep sleeper siya actually. Tapos, ano siya dito? Touchscreen yung bassinet. Car ride. Oh. Magic! Tapos, meron pang, parang white noise sounds. Try ko! Yan. O, diba? Hindi na ito namin dalaging-ging. Oh, so ganyan. Parang dinuduyan-duyan siya. Pero, high-tech lang siya, Zay. Kakabili lang namin dito ni Dong Franco. Sabi ko talaga kay Dong Franco, mag-invest tayo nito. Kasi wala akong tulog maayos. Parang talaga ako naging zombie. And super worth it kasi sobrang gusto niya. Tingnan nyo naman, oh. Hindi nagreklamo, di ba? So, sa mga babies dyan na gusto yung may mga motion pag natutulog. Super worth it nito mag-invest. Yun nga lang. Mabilis lang itong malakihan sa kanila. Maybe 6 months lang ata niya ito magagamit. But may di ibibenta ko na lang after niyang malakihan to. Kasi sayang din. Super mahal nito, Zay. Nag-invest talaga ako. Pero carry lang para kay Ella. Para lang talaga maganda yung tulog niya. Kuya Cooper! Shh! What's up, boy? What are you doing? What are you having? Hi? What are you having there? Where did you get that stick? Ha? Lagi siya nakabantay kay Ella, oh. Yan lang talaga yan si Kuya Cooper. Super bait-bait ng Kuya Cooper namin. Good job, Baba.